Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Apple Card user, you know how convenient it is to manage your finances right from your iPhone. But what if you need to switch up your payment method? Maybe you want to change from your debit card to a credit card or update your bank details. Don't worry, it's super straightforward. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change your Apple Card payment method so you can do it in no time. First things first, make sure you're on your iPhone with the latest iOS update. This process is done through the Wallet app, which is where all your Apple Card magic happens. Start by opening the Wallet app. You'll see your cards listed there. Tap on your Apple Card to get started. Once you're in the Apple Card section, look for the More button, usually represented by 3 dots in the upper right corner. Tap that, and then select Card Information or Settings. Here, you'll find an option for Payment Methods. It might say something like Manage Payment Methods. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a list of your current payment methods. To change it, simply select the one you want to update or add a new one. If you're adding a new card, you'll be prompted to enter the details securely. Apple makes this easy and safe with their built-in security features. After you've made your selection, hit Save or Confirm to apply the changes. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check that your new payment method is valid and has no restrictions. Also, remember that changes might not take effect immediately, so give it a minute or two. And there you have it. Changing your Apple Card payment method is that simple. It helps keep your finances flexible and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.